fixed base. Now, what is the meaning of this term fixed base? We noticed in Article 14, paragraph 1, that the right to tax is always with the country of residence. Okay? And there are two exceptions to this rule. The first one being if the non-resident service provider falling under Article 14 has a fixed base available to him in the state of source, which is India. Right? Generally, this term is not defined in the treaty, okay? But the protocol to the India-Belarus treaty provides that for the purposes of this agreement, which is the treaty between India and Belarus, it is understood that the term fixed base includes. This definition is an inclusive definition, which means it includes these three, plus there may be anything else which is considered as a fixed base in general parlance, which will be covered for the purpose of this particular article. Includes a fixed place such as an office, if a non-resident has an office in India, or a room, if he works out of a hotel room, right, or any other place regularly available to him. The continuity has to be important, through which not only should such a fixed place be available to him, not only should it be available on a regular basis, but the activities of the non-resident, the income generating activity, should be carried on through such a place, through which the activity of the person performing independent personal services is wholly or partly carried on. If there's more than one place, then you need to consider all of them together. So let us look at some of the examples of fixed base which may be included or excluded. When we talk about inclusion, a painter's office for a person who provides painting services is a fixed base. For a teacher, an institute that they open in the source state is a fixed base. For a solicitor, a chamber that he hires, whether in a hotel or elsewhere, is a fixed base. Exclusion, if there's a foreign doctor who visits various hospitals as and when required by these hospitals once in a year. Foreign advisors who are attending the board meetings in India for companies on which they are there on the board of directors. For them, the office of the Indian company where the board meeting takes place does not become a fixed base.